Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to create a website with AI in under 2 minutes. As a beginner, you'll start by opening the platform, and the platform that we'll be using is TenWeb. As you can see here, you will see the option to create a new website with AI. Click on it. Step 2. Tell the AI about your business type. This helps the AI understand your needs better. Click Next when you are done. Step 3. Pick a website theme and structure that suits your business. This will give your website its initial look and layout. Click Next to continue. Step 4. Provide your company name and describe what your company does. This will help the AI personalize your website. Click Next when you are ready. Step 5. The AI will suggest services based on your business. If you are happy with them, click Next. If not, you can customize them to your preferences. Step 6. Choose the tone you want for your website content, formal or informal. This adds a personal touch to your site. Click Next when you have decided. Step 7. Now, it's time to finalize. Click on Finalize and let the AI works its magic. It will generate your website according to your inputs. Step 8. Lo and behold, your website is ready. With a bit of patience, your AI-generated website will be ready to go. It's that simple. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.